for, right? I nearly passed my 5k pro firm phase 1 with just one trade, and these two mistakes messed everything up, and I even went in drawdown. So make sure you watch this video to the end. I'm going to share everything with you right here on my channel. All right. Okay guys, so welcome back to my channel, and in this video right here I'm going to break down to you the trades I took last week. All right, today is Sunday and I'm going to break down the trades I took last week from Monday to Monday I didn't trade. I started the account on Tuesday. All right, so from Tuesday the trades I took on the account and how I nearly passed the account with just one trade, and then the mistakes that I did, and then I even went in drawdown. I'm going to share everything with you right here, and I even share some of the trades in my free Telegram group, guys. So if you want to join my free Telegram group, the link in the description, just go to the description box and then click on the link. You will join my Telegram group. I post free signals over there. I don't charge anybody out there. All right, so let's get it. Let's go to the chart and then let me break it down to you how I nearly passed the account, and then the mistakes that I did on the account, and I even went in drawdown, but at the end of the week I tried and then moved the account to break even. That's the amazing thing. All right, so from this week we are going to try and then pass the account live on here, right? People from account. All right, this is the first trade, and then this was what I was looking for. As you guys know me, I'm a trend trader. All right, I follow the trend whenever I'm trading. Follow the trend, okay? Because as a price action trader, that's what you have to do. You have to follow the trend, you have to move with the trend. All right, so let's get in. This was my setup that I was looking for on US 30. all right, so when you go to higher time frame, when I'm analyzing my pair or my chart, I always go back to 4-hour time frame and then start from there. All right, so as you guys can see, US 30 has been moving in a bullish trend for a long time, and this was my main trend line. All right, this was my major support trend line, and then this was also my minor support trend line. All right, so the market touches here first time, third time, and then it came here for the third time. All right, so I was looking for bullish on this market, which is US 30. right? I was looking for buys, and then let's look at what happened right here. So the market, this was my zone that I was looking up to, this zone. So I was looking for break and then retest, and then that happened exactly. All right, the market broke here and then retest, so I got in right here. My stop loss was all the way here, and I was targeting here. All right, so this was the trade that nearly passed my 5k account. As you can see the profit on the screen, I made a lot of profits, but guys, this was my mistake that I did. All right, when the trade was moving in profit, I just broke even. All right, I broke even right here. I think that was here. Okay, I moved stop loss to break even. So when the market, or when the trade was moving where, I calculated my target and then put the target here. So if I reach this target, I'm going to pass the account. And look at what happened. The market moved all the way here. The market moved all the way here, left it here to pass the account, and then the market started reversing, and the market came back, took me out at break even. All right, so that was my first mistake. I should have taken some partials. All right, when I moved the stop loss in profit, I should have taken some partials and then let the market run. All right, and I didn't take any partials. I just put the stop loss to break even and then let the trade run, and then the market came back and then take me out at break even, and I lost everything. I lost all the profit that I made. As you can see on the screen, I lost everything. So this was another trade that I took. Okay, this was another trade that I took that same very day. All right, I took this buys and then the market just moved in profit a little bit, came back and then took me out. All right, so this my first the second trade also that I took on the account, and this trade let me went in drawdown. Right, this trade let me went in serious drawdown, guys. So let's continue to GBP JPY, some trades that I also took over there, and some of them was a winning trade. You know, guys, I don't trade news, but I don't know what comes over me, and then this NFP I tried to trade it and I lost a lot of money on this account. All right, so let's go to the GBP JPY and then let me break it down to you for you to see the mistakes that I also did over there. Right, so guys, please make sure you learn something from this particular video that I'm sharing with you. All right, because this covered a lot. All right, as you guys can see, I love trading GBP pairs. All right, I love trading most importantly GBP AUD and then GBP JPY, and I also trade the volatile pairs, which is US oil, gold, and then US 30. And as you guys can know, these are my pairs that I always trade. These are my pairs that I always trade, and this GBP JPY showed me a lot of profits also. All right, so early in the morning, I think this was Friday, early in the morning, I caught this trade, which I was risking 15 pips and then targeting 30 pips, and we hit our take profits on the account. So the account that account was in drawdown. This trade made us recover the loss, and then we made some little profit. I think it was $19 profit on this trade. All right, so after recovering the account, we made some $19 profit on the account, and we took this trade when the news was coming. All right, we took this trade. We were looking for buys right here. All right, so this was the level I was looking for. This was the level, right? This was the level right here, and as you can see, the market created this double bottom right here. So I was looking for this zone to be retest, then I go in for buys. All right, so I went in here. Right, I took the buys right here when the news was coming. I don't trade news, but you know, it is what it is, guys. That was another mistake I did. All right, so I put my stop loss right here. Right, the stop loss was here, and then I was targeting here, and the news went in the opposite side. All right, and I lost again on the account. Right, so after the news, I did this analysis, right, and I even shared it on my Telegram group. You can go there and check it, and as you can see on the screen too, I did this analysis and then I put it into my Telegram group for them to also take it. And we took this trade also. Right, we took this trade, this buys, and then this trade also have recovered our loss, and now we are in break even on the account, and we are in little profit. I think $13 profit. So we are in break even for this week. Right, so this coming week we are expecting to pass our Pro Firm account live here on my YouTube channel. So guys, make sure you join us. Let's pass this account together. And I'm going to start my YouTube live education. All right, I'm going to start my YouTube live education. I'm going to teach here for free. All right, I'm going to teach here for free. So let me share with you the mistakes that I did. All right, let's go. The important thing is I've figured out my mistakes and I've write them down, and I'm going to work on it. I'm not going to repeat the same mistakes for upcoming weeks that we are going to enter. All right, so this is very important for me to share with you guys right here, because these mistakes, I think you guys are also doing the same mistakes over there. The first mistake was I didn't take partials when the market or when the trade moved in my favor. I didn't take partials. All right, that was my first mistake. And the second mistake was I was not applying proper risk management. As you can see with my results, my wins and then my loss are always the same, right? So that was the second mistake. That was the second mistake, I think. But apart from that, I think everything was good, because my winning trades was very well, I think my winning trades were 3, and then my losing trades were 2. So I should have been profitable, right? I should have been profitable last week I should have been profitable, but I was not applying proper risk management. That's why I couldn't be profitable last week. So I have figured out the mistake, as I said. So we are going to work towards it next week or the upcoming week, right? So guys, let me catch you in my next video, right? Let's grow together. Don't forget, we are on the way to become millionaires before age 30. All right, so let's make the money together.